guys, welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscription boxes, some product reviews, makeup, travel and adventure videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Make sure you are also hit that notification, click on that notification bell. That way every time I upload a video you are automatically notified. With that said, guys, if you are already subscribed to my channel, then woohoo, welcome back to this amazing unboxing video that I have to share with you guys. So this is the ZafeBox. This is my first box, my first unboxing in my channel for this box here, and I have no idea what's inside this box. So we are going to get started. Let's see what we have. I will leave you guys all the details and information on the description down below. Everything that you need to know in order to subscribe to this amazing box, okay? So this is so it says here, welcome to your July box. It says ZafeBox is a bi-monthly subscription box that delivers health and wellness products to your door. Your box includes, so this is, I believe this is everything that's here is inside my box for this month. So this is my information card, guys. Woohoo! Nothing in the back. Oh my goodness, look at all these goodies. Super excited. Who doesn't love a subscription box that delivers right to your door? You are going to receive health and wellness products. I am super excited about this box, and I hope you guys are too. So let's get started. The first item that I will be unboxing is going to be these alcohol wipes, and it says here that they kill 99.9% of germs, and there's 50 pieces in here, 75% alcohol. And I am super excited because with this pandemic, everyone needs alcohol wipes, right? Woohoo! And there's 50 of them in there. Okay, next up we have something from Fit Simplify. Okay, that's what it looks like. I love the color. You guys know pink is my favorite color. Every time I receive something pink, I get super excited. Okay, so oh, this is so pretty. So it comes in a nice pouch. So pretty. I love it. So these guys are going to be, I believe these are the resistance fitness bands. A website there, and it tells you the strength. So it has all the estimated pounds and all that information. You get to do arm extensions, triceps, rear arm. Oh, I am loving this. This is probably going to be my favorite item in this box, and I will stop talking and show you guys the bands because I'm like super excited. So my first one is, this is the extra light one. I will go ahead and take one out. They're all going to be the same. So this is the extra light one. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Oh, I can't wait to use this. So that's my extra light one. I received a light one, a medium, and I love how the colors just keep getting more intense as they go up. And this is the heavy. Oh, and it actually does feel a little heavier. And this is going to be my extra heavy. So this is the extra heavy one, which, whoa, it is pretty heavy, way heavier than the one that I actually have, which was the first one. My next item, guys, is going to be this right here. See what it is. It looks something like for your phone. Look how cute it is. Just put this in the back of your phone case, or if you don't use a case on your phone, and you are able to put money, your cards, whatever you want to put there. You can put your keys in there. And this is so nice. The material is like super nice. I love the material. Next up we have this here. So this is a face mask. So it's a non-surgical face mask, and it is a one piece, guys. Okay, so it has the ZafeBox logo on it, and it's like super pretty. The material is like super nice. It's like kind of silky, and I like that. Super pretty. Okay, next up we have, we have it's a chocolate chip cookie dough bar, and it has 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, which is perfect. That's what that looks like. Chocolate chip looks yummy. Next up we have an Australian sunscreen foil sample, and it's a 30 SPF. There we go. Next up we have some hand sanitizers. So we have two. They are both the same, nice size. They're not too small, they're not too big, but you can still fit them in your bag. Next up we have a first aid kit, which now for the summer is so useful. Going to the parks, going camping, going anywhere, you can, this is so small that you can put this in your bag as well, or in your backpack. So it comes with 12 essential first aid items, and everything that's inside this first aid kit, it's listed here. So there we have it again, 12 items. So these will be the items that you receive. And next up, which is my last item on this amazing box, is going to be this here. And let's see what this is. So, what is this? For your this is actually for your wrist. So I can imagine that you will, let me see, put this on your wrist, right? Whichever way I believe you want to put it. I have really small wrists, so and I just moved my phone again. So it has a wallet, it has a zipper, so you can put money in there. If your phone is kind of small, you can probably fit your phone. My phone is probably gonna be too big to put there. You can put other stuff here and here. It stretches, so you might be able to fit your phone in there. Might be a little stretchy, but you probably can't do it. So this is like super cool. I love this. This is the first time that this is my first cloth wrist wallet, actually. Super excited. This is why I love receiving these surprise monthly subscription boxes, because they introduce you to so many different products and items that you have like no idea that they even exist. And this is why I love doing what I do. I love sharing all these boxes with you guys, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. You guys can take a look so you guys know exactly what you're getting to before you subscribe, right? So, but that's it, guys. This box is amazing. I love this box. I hope I keep receiving this box, because this is something that I'm starting to get into. I'm starting to get into my health and wellness. I order some stuff from Amazon. I'm glad I did not order the resistant bands, because I received some amazing ones in this box. But super excited to continue my journey and my health and wellness as well. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.